Good morning, everyone. So here is this week's lesson plan. It's about World War II and the Japanese Internment Camps, because we're reading Behind the Wire Fence in April's edition of Scholastic Action. Let's see. I know you guys don't care about this stuff. It's all stuff I basically say anyways. So today we are doing vocab. And the vocab is internment, citizen, suspicion, remote, and dignity, which were the bolded words in the article. That's how I get most of my vocab. I also found a new math game on Pinterest called Value of a Name. It's similar to decoding, but it's different. I will show you here. So they spell their name, and then they find the corresponding number, and then they add it together to find the value of the name. Some of them have been struggling with multiplication, so I decided just to go easy this week and do addition, and then for an extra challenge for my kids who are really, really good at addition, I'm going to say try multiplication. I'll show them the process of doing multiple-step multiplication. And then I'll allow calculators only if they try it first. Goodness, my coffee's not kicking in at all. And then we'll do the actual lesson. And then we're going to do the multiplication strategy worksheet that I showed in the last video. We never got to it last week due to some stuff. So I'm going to try and do it this week. It's actually supposed to be multiplying tens, but oh well. I know what I'm doing. Tomorrow, whoa! We're going to be doing I can't talk. An anticipatory guide tomorrow. Actually tomorrow I have an IEP in the morning, so it's actually a sub that's going to be doing this in the morning. We'll see how it goes. Might have to do a little catch up and reiteration, but that's okay. So they have to agree, disagree, predicting what they think, and then after they read, they have to fill out what's correct. They actually kind of struggled with this last part. I don't know why. Like, we even went through it, and I even said, I'm saying the correct answer, circle it, and only a few of them got 100% on this second piece. It could be my fault. I don't know. It could just be because they weren't paying attention. I don't know. I'm kind of stumped on this, so we're going to try it again. And I'm going to, determine what's going on. Try and determine what's going on with that. Because I literally said, we literally went over. This is true. This is agree. This is disagree. Maybe I should actually change those to true and false. I don't know. I'm going to mess with it probably again next week. Just to see. Whoops. Well, I just showed you the next thing we're going to do. After that, they're going to do the writing activity for Behind the Wire Fence. And then I'm going to teach them the acronym strategy. Because why not? Actually, it's because I have to do certain things for my class. And yeah. So what I did was I took important words and important places. And I wrote them all down on my whiteboard. And I found this acronym, which PJs. I took out a few things so that it made sense until I got this acronym. So I'm going to teach them what an acronym is. I'm going to have them try it out. Fun fact, an acronym is words that you put together to spell a word. An acrostic is just letters. So like NASA or the planets. You can do a little rhyme with it, but it doesn't spell an actual word. Yeah, fun fact there. I didn't put this in here, but tomorrow, if we have time, I'm gonna try and have them watch a video about George Takei, in his time in internment camps when he was a kid. I found a couple good ones. I know there's a lot of Star Wars fans in there. I don't know if anyone's seen the original Star Trek. I'll have to ask. If not, I'm sure they've seen Karate Kid, and there was a video of Pat Mortier. I can't remember his last name. I can pronounce his last name, I just can't remember it at the moment. Anyways, so I'll do one of those 2 videos. On the 3rd day, we're going to review 5Ws and an H, because that's something that's on a lot of their IEPs, and I've been doing a very poor job following that. Anyways, so we're going to do that. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Actually, we have been doing it, just not as explicitly as I'm doing it this time. Gonna do it a bit more explicit. We're going to I'm gonna have them reread it, review the chart, and then 2nd hour we're gonna do the central idea video. Oh, I need to show you the 5W1H chart I created. Who, what, when, where, why, how. And then if I stop yawning. Oh, cold coffee. Okay. We're going to do the central idea lesson I talked about in the last video, but oh, why did it sign me out? One moment. Okay, sorry about that. So central idea, we didn't get to it last week. For some reason, we didn't get to the multiplication. But to add to it and to give them a bit more support, why can't I not fix my camera? I don't know what's going on with my camera, guys. Anyways, I made this chart, this lovely graphic organizer for central idea. It's central ideas in the middle, and then I have detail 1, detail 2, detail 3, and detail 4, and then a lot of white space around for my students who struggle with handwriting and staying within the lines and writing small and all that fun jazz. So yep, I did that to kind of give them a visual and for us to go step by step. Okay, what's a central idea? What details support this idea? It needs to have supporting facts. What was the whole article about? They really, really, really struggle with that, and I don't understand why. But it's something they're struggling with, so I need to actually teach it to actually help them. And maybe I'll figure out why, maybe not. That's kind of beside the point. As long as they learn it, that's all that matters. The next day, we will watch the Beyond the Story video that talks about the process of writing the article, and then we'll do some questions, and then we'll do the Pearl Harbor video with the Think, Pair, Share. Here's the questions I'd ask them. If you want to pause and read those, go ahead. And then we'll be researching the maps, and goodness. And I'm going to have them research the places that were discussed in the article and the videos. And I'm having them on your world map mark where each location is. And then we'll do a Kahoot review of comprehension and vocab. Friday is our vocab test and our comprehension quiz. 3rd hour, we're just going to do a card flip. I'm going to give them a break from journals. Oh, I didn't show you my journal. There they are. Here's the journals. I'm kind of running out of ideas each week, but that's those. Yeah, so that's my lesson. Yep, that's my lessons for the week. Next week, I'm working on next week's lessons. I have another observation next week. Not looking forward to it. I'm thinking about doing another video, maybe like a reflection video or something. But, yep, that's lesson plan number 5. Hope you guys have a good week. Bye!